Hey guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Welcome to a new job update video in this channel. So today in this video there is a big update from a huge company. The budget is also good for this job. Main part of the job is that any fresher can apply for this job and minimum qualification should be the graduate. So if you are graduate from any stream, you can apply for this job. If you are interested for this job, please watch the entire video. In the video, I have mentioned every single details of the job, like the job requirement, the job role. Also, I have mentioned how to apply for this specific role. If you are new to this channel and want to get regular job updates, career updates, course updates, everything from a single channel, you can subscribe the channel. Also, enable the bell notification to get notified from this channel. So without wasting any time, let's dive into our video. Hello everyone, today there is a new job opportunity in my channel and today the opportunity is from Wipro company. As you can see in the screen, I have opened the Wipro careers page and this is the official portal to apply for this role. Please check the description area to get the link and please apply from this official portal of Wipro careers. The job title is HR Data Analyst. If you have completed your graduation in any discipline, you can apply for this role. Your communication skill should be very good, and if you have a good Excel knowledge, if you know about advanced Excel, and along with advanced Excel, if you know about data visualization like Power BI or Tableau, that will be a plus for this role. So here they have mentioned the city is Bangalore and Karnataka will be the state. It will be a hybrid job model, so you need to visit to the location once you have cleared the job, but the interview will be completely in virtual mode. So if you are not available in Bangalore, still you can apply for this opportunity. Here they have provided what actually you have to do in this role. You need to work on MIS reporting, you need to design and maintain Power BI dashboard, you need to work on advanced Excel and VBA scripts, you need to work on also data extraction, data analytics and automation of the report. Also, they have mentioned some additional details like UAT support, MIS process, and if you know about GenAI, that will be also great because you can automate your tasks using GenAI in this role. Below, they have mentioned some additional details along with the key job responsibilities. So I will recommend you to deep dive on this page before designing your resume so that it will be helpful for you and get shortlisted for the interview. Must have skill, they have mentioned Power BI and analysis, automation skills and communication and stakeholder management. If you have any agentic AI knowledge or certification, that will be also added advantage for this role. Below they have mentioned some additional skills. You can mention these skills in your resume if you have these skills, and then you can get the apply now button. If you are interested, you can apply to this role. As a fresher, you can expect a salary range between 4 to 6 lakh per annum. If you are experienced, then you can earn up to 8 to 10 lakh per annum, and for experience, this is completely varies of your current salary, your current role and current experience. Okay, so that's all about today's job opportunity. If you are interested, feel free to apply online, and if there is any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, you can subscribe to this channel to get regular job updates. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye. This is all about today's job update. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.